storing long-lived credentials in your code or in your instances or basically everywhere you use your code. That is a bad practice because attackers are out on the internet looking for access to public repositories on your GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, or any other repository where your application code is stored. And if it is public, a lot of people are searching for what access keys. Yes, the same IAM user, if they've been given what access keys they can find and how far they can go with it. So if you find credentials for AWS in any of those repositories which are public, you can probably use that to expand what you know about the AWS account and potentially create more users and do a lot more damage. A way to fix this is to keep an eye on if you have an additional IAM users that you were not supposed to have. If you have credentials that are long-lived, make sure you rotate them every 90 days. That's the general recommendation. If you can do it sooner or whatever the time period works for you, definitely do that as well. The other one being, if there are credentials that are no longer in use, delete them. And probably fourth, the most important one, do not store credentials in your account. Create anywhere.